welcome back to the channel. This is the first time I'm doing a bit of a capture on the internet. I hope the audio is quite well. First thing I've got to say is I'd like to thank Paintmodz for supplying the engine dress-up kit. If you're looking to get something a bit different for your car, if you're going to car shows, or if you just want to make your car look a little bit different under the bonnet, this is a great modification that you can do. All these panels are removable if you would like to take them off, like if you wanted to sell a car, or you can leave them on for those who may have one on hire purchase, and you want to get the car back to standard before you return it back to the dealership or anything like that. These are a fantastic little mod that you can do. I will be showing this being fitted to my vehicle. A lot of the listings on here was specific for the Fiesta Tdci, but after going through this website, finding out that some of the parts or the covers that go on the engine bay, they are identical to what's on the diesel, slight variants, but practically the same sort of car. The other thing I want to say is I have got a discount code. We've been in talks with Paintmodz, and they've supplied a cheeky little discount code for you lot that have watched my video. So yeah, I'm just going to take you through some of the items on their website, and then show you all the parts that I had, and then show you the discount code so you can get these a little bit cheaper for yourselves from watching this video. So as you can see on here, I'm on their website, and what I'll do is navigate through some of the parts. So I'll go Fiesta Mark 7.5, and here you have a list of all the parts that could be fitted. So as you can see, it says ST180, but as I've shown, mine's a diesel, and a lot of these parts will go straight on. So let's go through some of the stuff that I had. I had the cap decal set to go on top of the panels. I've not fitted those onto the covers as yet, but I'll probably do that once I actually fit the covers onto the car and then maybe stick them on. I had the bonnet catch plate, the slam panel covers, the engine bay dress up kit itself, which was the coolant ball cover, the battery cover and the fuse box cover, the air conditioning pipe, I had that, the brake reservoir cover. What else did I have? I had the washer bottle bung, and then you put the decal on the top, and the slam panel covers. I think I mentioned those. So we had all those ready to fit onto the car. Okay, so if you're looking to get a great deal on these, we do have a discount code. If you just select what model you want, you've got the pre-facelift of 2009 to 2013, or you've got the facelift which is 2013 to 2017. It does say ST180, but I reassure you, it does fit, although I would double check your expansion ball, because some of them are like an oval shape. This was more triangular. The battery cover and the fuse box cover does fit, but just double check those. So if you head over to the cart, I've stuck it in the cart here. If you proceed to checkout, just show you again, keep the discount code off. So all in capitals, Mr. and Miss Diesel. If you apply that, you get yourself some money off that dress up kit. So if that's something you're looking to get for your car or a friend, relative or anything like that, if you use that discount code, you get a nice bit of money off. Anyway, once my parts arrive, I'll show you what they look like. We'll go from there.
Guys, so when you receive your package, they come well packaged. Ours come in that box just there, but there was tons of bubble wrap and protective wrapping. So what we've done is we've actually unboxed it, checked them over to make sure everything's okay. You also get an invoice, which these are the parts that we've ordered to fit our car. I've actually scribbled my name and address out for there. So that's the invoice, guys. Now they all come, a lot of the items come in their own protective bags. With inside them bags then there is instructions and any fitting equipment that you need, or stuff like that. Now let me just show you the gloss finish on these items. We actually went for red and black gloss. So I'm going to go around this way, guys. Now look at the finish on those. It's absolutely amazing. They are, I think, vacuum molded plastic. They're not fiberglass, which I absolutely love. Now these ones, they come in these protective cloths, so we've just taken that off to show you. These ones here, they're in the bags. Let me show you on this one. They actually come with a protective film on them, which you would have to peel off, either before fitting or once fitted. Just take it off, and then here's the shine on the gloss black, and every part is immaculate. There's no imperfections at all on these. Now they either come with their own like fitting equipment, so these are for the slam panel ones for there. Now they come with the item, so you know exactly what goes with what, which I absolutely love, that all the fittings are not in one bag, and you've got to decipher which part it goes with. They're all individually bagged. With the paint caps, Paintmodz caps for like the expansion bottles and all that, they have got like Velcro strips on them for you to stick them on, and the same with them. They supply the Velcro pads, and on the instructions I believe it'll tell you exactly what place to put them. We've got some decals by here. They're actually going to go on these caps. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to be using these caps. Mr. Diesel has got something else that he's been working on, but for now we will probably fit them to give you an overall look of everything. But there's also a gel badge but there for the one cap as well. Now I think these are absolutely amazing. Paintmodz has so many finishes, including hydro dipping, as Mr. Diesel showed you on their website. But yeah, the service and everything is 100% with them. Any issues, you just ring them up and they're always willing to help. So there it is, guys. Here's a quick rundown of the parts that we're going to be fitting to the car. So let's head outside and get theirs fitted.
Okay guys, so going to be fitting the panels all on the under the NGB. When fitting these, you will have to clean them. I have got a cleaning solution and a cloth. All these panels here will need to be cleaned, make sure there's no dirt or debris or anything like that to allow them to stick properly. So I'm going to crack on with that now, and then you'll see how it looks afterwards. Well, there it is, guys. Got a lot of the panels done. Just give you a nice view. Now, the engine cover wasn't done by Paintmodz. That was Rich Dippings who done the engine cover, and Paintmodz supplied all these panels, battery cover, fuse box, slam panel, all that. As you can see, looks fantastic. Give you a bit of a close up. Got a nice gloss finish. But yeah, there it is, guys. I will put a discount code for Paintmodz. Get yourself a nice little discount, treat yourself or your partner this Christmas. But thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.